Good morning, my friends. So today I'm gonna go over a monster trade I did today. It's a really nice trade. It was very fast, very quick. Just gonna go over my watch list. I didn't have a solid watch list today. I only had for the low cap. I'm talking about low cap. So I had UOKA, MNTS, and PITR. ONDS, I just wanted to take a look at it, how it's going to perform today. It wasn't on my watch list. I'm just going to keep an eye on it. Okay. So nothing happened at our ITR, MNTS. Nothing happened. Let's go to my trade right away so I don't waste time. UOKA. So that's my daily chart. All right. I plotted, it was gapping up. I plotted my support and resistance. So 241, it was a major level. From this day, you can see we have resistance here. We have a bunch of support here. We have support here. And a bunch of support here. So it is a significant level. It is a very significant level. And then we have the 200 day, which is 265. See, I have it in purple. And then we have the resistance, another level at 288, the resistance right here, and resistance right here. Sorry, that's 241. And we had some resistance right here and here. Support right here, and resistance right here. That resistance area. Okay? And then I deleted the line accidentally. I'll just plot it back in. The 288. Okay, and then we have this pivot area here. It's a clear resistance. Those are taking profits areas. And then we have this area and we have this area. Now, the only thing I said on any of those stocks that I had on watch list, I'm not going to overstay my welcome. You can see those wicks. If we go back, you can see wicks, red, long wicks. So they usually don't hold their gains. So if I get in, I'm just going to be very quick at taking profits. Let's go to the 3-minute chart. So as soon as the stock opened, it shot right up, right through the 200 day, and it halted right above the 288, like 334. Sorry. 294. Once it halted, I said if it holds support at the 200 day, I'm getting in. With my stop loss before 241. Okay? And actually it did look right on the spot. It held that area with nice volume. The volume is great. Okay, on level 2, I saw the very high rush on the buying power here. So I got in at 268 right here. At first, I really thought I was gonna miss it, but because it shot right up, but I threw my order. I said if I get filled, I get filled. If I don't, I don't. But I got filled. It got back down and it filled me in. And as soon as it filled me in, it shot right up to the halt area. I was planning to take profits right before the 328, but I didn't even have a chance to put my order in. Even though I'm quick at putting my orders, but I didn't have a chance. And it halted. So what I did, while it's halting, I was able to take off like maybe 20% of my position. I wanted to take off more, but it went into the halt before I was able to collect my 50%. I wanted to take off 50% because you never know. It might dump right back down. So I got 20% off here, and I threw an order for another 30%. So I took 20% right here, and I threw another order right before 347, 344, right here. Okay, for for the 30%, and it filled me right up right after the open, right after the open, and then I threw out my other order at 30% or 20%, sorry, right here at 374, and my final take profit was at 398 right here, right before $4. That was a great trade. It was very quick. I didn't even have to think. As soon as I got filled, it didn't give. I didn't even get into the red. It went green right away. I was comfortable right away. It halted right away to the up. Well, I'm like my PNL was really up, so I was happy with this trade. And you see, it it went back in, and now it's I don't know if it's gonna bounce back up, but it doesn't matter. This stock does not hold its gains. So that's why look at it. It's going down. So that's why I'm not even planning to get back in or hold oversee my welcome. I just wanted to share that with you. On last Friday, I had three stocks on watch list, and I didn't have a chance to get in on any of those stocks. I missed my entries on all three stocks that I had on my watch list, and they all took off and ran. But I'm not gonna go over them right now because I'm gonna get pissed off again. So just let it be. Great trade. We'll see you on my next recap.